This is a program that draws out a shape based on a number of sides that the user inputs and tells them the interior angle measures of all of the interior angles. Now whenever it starts, it'll ask me how many sides I want. I can put in any number from 3 to 15. Say I put in 10. It draws a shape with 10 sides and gives me the measure of each of these sides. One of the most features I'm most proud of in this program is that if you put in a number that is less than 3 or more than 15, it will not work because of this logic gate here. It will only run the code inside here if the answer is greater than or equal to 3 or less than or equal to 15.